Lesson 1.5 is on dividing integers. Dividing integers and what we did yesterday, multiplying integers, are the exact same rules when we figure out if our answer is positive or negative. So once again, just like with multiplying integers, dividing integers are the exact same. Same signs, your answer will be positive. Different signs, your answer will be negative. Obviously, the only difference today is we'll be dividing numbers instead of multiplying. So if I had negative 12 divided by 4, I have a minus or a negative sign above the 12, plus or a positive sign above the 4. So I have different signs, so automatically my answer is negative. We are not asking ourselves which one is farther from 0 when we multiply or divide. We just look at our signs. Because they're different, our answer is negative. Now 12 divided by 4 is 3, and that is our answer. Negative 15 divided by negative 5. I have a negative and a negative. So now my signs are the same, so automatically my answer will be a positive. 15 divided by 5, positive 3. All right, we will also be evaluating expressions, but we are still going to need to understand our rules with same signs positive, different signs negative. Now in this example, I'm telling you that A is negative 18 and B is negative 6. So anytime you see A in an expression, you're going to substitute negative 18, and anytime you see B in the expression, you're going to substitute negative 6. So here's the problem. A divided by B. What does A equal? A is, in this example, negative 18. So I'm going to substitute negative 18 in place of A. Divided by B is negative 6. So I'm substituting negative 6 in for B. Now I just need to divide my integers. Signs are the same, so my answer is positive. 18 divided by 6 is 3, so positive 3. Next example, A plus 6, divide all of that divided by 3. So what does A equal? Well, back in this example, A is negative 18. So I am taking negative 18 and substituting in it for A, plus 6 divided by 3. Now here, we have kind of two steps. We have negative 18 plus 6 in the numerator, and then we are dividing by 3. So now we got to remember our rules from adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing. We need to clean the numerator up first before we can divide by 3. So I have a minus above the 18 and a plus above the 6. Okay, because there is no multiplying or dividing sign right here, I have to either add or subtract. Because my signs are different, I am subtracting, going back to lesson 1.2 and 1.3, following those rules. 18 minus 6 is 12, and now because I added or subtracted, I have to ask myself which one is farther from 0. 18 is farther from 0, 18 is negative, so my 12 is negative. And then I need to still have my dividing by 3. Now we need to follow our rules from today. I have a negative and a positive. 12 has a minus in front of it, 3 is a positive number. Now my signs are different when I divide, and I have different signs. My answer is negative. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. One more example. Still going off of A is negative 18 and B is negative 6. So I have B squared divided by A plus 4. So I need to substitute whatever B and whatever A is in my expression. So I have negative 6 squared divided by A, which is negative 18, plus 4. I need to once again clean the numerator up before I can divide by negative 18. Negative 6 squared, or negative 6 times negative 6, negative times a negative is a positive, 36, divided by negative 18 plus 4. Now I have two integers being divided, so I need to look at my signs. They are different when I divide and I have different signs. My answer is negative. 36 divided by 18 is 2, so 36 divided by negative 18 is negative 2. and I need to bring down my plus 4. Now, signs are different. There is no multiplying or dividing sign, so I have to either add or subtract. Signs are different, so I subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. And because I added or subtracted, I need to ask myself which is farther from 0. 4 is farther away from 0. 4 is positive. So my answer is positive. Homework. If this is your first day on lesson 1.5, pages 32 and 33, 8 through 15, 42 through 45. If this is the second day of this lesson for you on lesson 1.5, page 32, 1 through 7, and then you'll do 17 through 31 odd. If you are a ninth period, you will do both numbers.